Hi, welcome to a Seneca Falls Library unboxing, where we get all our new books. So, this is books that just came in today, and we're going to be processing in the next week-ish. But, you guys get first peek at all of the books that we are getting, including some kids' books that look really cool. And some manga. Who wants manga? Everybody loves manga lately. We have some, although I think that's for Manga Club. So, come see Manga Club. Let's see what else we have. Some good fiction. And awesome artwork on the covers. Oh my gosh. Some Amish classics. We have a lot of Shelley Shepherd Gray. Let's see. Oh my gosh. So many books. I'm going to be covering books for days. Lots and lots of books. Ooh, more cool artwork. I love book cover artwork. Look at some sci-fi. And well, that's cool. Some kids books and Black Hammer graphic novel. Very cool. Done with that box. More buttons. Oh, this one finally came in. This one was purchased with money given to us from the 5th grade team at Katie Stanton in memory of Mrs. Outerkirk. So this one will be going on the shelf soon with a nice memorial plaque on the inside for Mrs. Outerkirk. And oh my gosh, so many books. We got a new Barbie graphic novel and some cool, very cool, some more graphic novels for kids. More, a little bit of mystery in there. A Delicious Death. All right. Lots of awesome new books. The Nanny, probably not like the TV show. Some nonfiction, The Discovery of America. Very cool. Oh my gosh. Oh. More. And that doesn't end. We're getting down to it though. I think somebody had murder on their mind. Mastering the Art of French Murder. The Wager, A Tale of Shipwreck, Mutiny, and Murder. Oh my goodness. Very cool. Lots and lots of... Oh look, another murder type one. Lots of mystery. That's everything. 3 boxes. I got a lot of work to do.